Hi, I'm Frank from the partner team here at ButterflyMX. In this video, we'll walk through how to position and sell one of the most affordable and accessible products in our lineup, the QR Code Intercom. The QR Code Intercom is a smartphone-based visitor access solution that makes simple and secure access control available to more buildings than ever before. It's designed for properties that want to offer a modern property access experience with lower upfront hardware or wiring costs. And at its core, this product is designed to unlock new sales opportunities for you and your team. So how does it work? It gives residents, staff, and visitors, including delivery drivers and service providers, a fast and easy way to request property access. All they have to do is scan the QR code on the plaque using their smartphone's camera. There's no app to download, no account to set up, and no extra steps to figure out. That makes the QR code intercom perfect for smaller buildings, communities with multiple entrances that require a visitor management solution, and other properties where a full traditional visitor access system might be more than they need or can afford. The real value here lies in the combination of ease of use, reliability, and affordability. The QR code intercom costs significantly less than a traditional visitor access system, not just in hardware, but also in installation. It requires less infrastructure, installs quickly, and minimizes the ongoing complexity of support and management. And while it may seem simple on the surface, it's powered by the full ButterflyMX access control and security platform. That means property managers still benefit from cloud-based access management, 365-day audit trails, and a fully integrated system of video intercoms, access control devices, security cameras, smart locks, and vehicle readers. As a partner, this opens up an entirely new segment of the market for you. It offers a compelling solution for buildings that may have been priced out of other visitor management systems or didn't need one in the first place. Maybe it's a smaller building seeking an affordable solution, or a property that requires additional security at a back door or a secondary entrance. Whatever the case, you now have an easy way to join the conversation and offer a modern solution that fits both the needs and the budget of your clients. When speaking with prospective customers, emphasize that the QR code intercom provides professional-grade visitor management and access control with lower upfront costs. It's fast to install, simple to manage, and can be used by anyone with a smartphone. For properties that want secure, simple, and smart visitor access without the upfront costs, this is the perfect fit. Think long-term when considering this product for your clients, as it may be your way into a building. It opens the door for you to start the relationship with a property and then introduce them to additional ButterflyMX solutions over time. And if you ever need help refining your pitch or identifying where this product makes the most sense, don't hesitate to reach out. Our partner team is always here to help you find the right angle, answer questions, and make sure that you feel confident presenting the QR code intercom to your customers. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see how the QR code intercom helps you grow your business.